Australia has a fascinating diversity of sharks and rays. So much research we can do on them, and that really drives a lot of Australia's scientists to get up in the morning and to research these animals to ensure that they're around for future generations. So we've released Australia's first ever Shark Action Plan. This is the first comprehensive assessment of all sharks and rays occurring in Australia. And it's the first time we've taken a national stock of how these species are doing and how they're faring. The Shark Action Plan found that we have 39 threatened sharks and rays in Australia. And if we don't act, these species may disappear from our oceans. What we need to do as a nation is protect those species. We need to mitigate their threats. That means to reduce the capture in commercial fisheries, for example. We need to ensure that if recreational fishers catch these species, that they're released in the environment. And we need to ensure that their habitat is protected so that they can flourish and maintain their populations. There's 5 species in Australia that are classified as critically endangered, and these species are at the highest threat category. It's urgent that we implement protection for these species at both the state and national levels to conserve their populations and allow them to recover. If we were to lose one of those species, part of that chain is lost, and that can have a ripple-on effect throughout the ecosystem. The sharks and rays of Australia don't really get the attention and resources that they need. Some species are really well known, it's like the whale sharks. Other species we know absolutely nothing about. So we need to commit further resources to understand where species occur, what threats they're facing, and what we need to do as a nation to protect these species for future generations.